Hi, this will be the last tutorial video where I'll talk a bit about the planning itself, how it works, and what you see on the production and buffer areas. First, I go to the Delivery and Goals page. The production data shown here always refers to the last area, the quantity produced there. The visual detects the last area automatically. Here, that's final assembly. Importantly, the goal and the delivery are handled separately. The goal is how much the last area produces, and until the very last piece is made there, the goal isn't met. For the delivery, though, if there's a final finished goods buffer area, like the finished bike store here, it counts that into the delivered quantities too. On the page, the outer green ring shows the weekly goals fulfillment, and the inner blue ring, or rings, show the deliveries, one for each delivery. The whole logic is built so that, from the goals and deliveries, the visual schedules the last area, final assembly here, so every goal and delivery is met on time. By an algorithm, it first prioritizes the deliveries, then the weekly goals, then the next week's needs. Throughout, machine optimization matters a lot. The visual tries to schedule so the machines have as few changeovers as possible. From there, a pull principle takes over. Imagine that every area is the customer of the area before it and produces for the next one. So, from final assembly backwards, following the shift offsets you set, it schedules the upstream areas so they're ready on time. That's roughly the logic. Thanks for watching the whole series. If you need help, email the support team and I'll help however I can. Good luck using it. I hope you got a lot out of these. See ya!